So after we have a good another check print quality, we can go to the next step for do the head alignment calibration for the printer. This you only need to do one time. The first time you use the machine, or the first time you put the printer head, you need to do the alignment. After you do the alignment good, you no need to do any step at later. But if you change the printer head later, you need to do again for the calibration for the printer head. So first we go to the software and we go to the head install. First, the knowledge check print we already did. And also we can see the knowledge check is good. Then we go to the next step for the vertical check. The vertical check is as this. We can see the picture. We must be sure the print head is straight, not bent. That means the print head not bent to left or bent to right for two print head. Normally we must install the print head straight, vertical and horizontal. Must vertical with the rear, vertical with the flat bed. Otherwise, the print quality is not good. Will overlap. So for check if the two print head have a good alarm, have a good calibration, have a good installation for the vertical or not, we can go to the software and we go to adjust head install and we click print adjust. Then the printer starts to print the diagram out. And here we can see this is the for white. It's for white. White vertical calibration picture coming out. And it's for color. So now I'll teach you how to check if the vertical is good or not. So for example, this picture, we can see it's printed by two times, the bottom and the top, like this. So here we can see the connection from here, the connection. So anyway, we must be sure the line is straight. The first print and the second print, the connection is good without overlap. Must straight. Must straight as a line as if it is print good, it must be as this. The first print and the second print must connect where as this. So this is the good print. If the print out quality like this, the first print like this and the second print overlap to left as this, it's not good. It's not connect where, it's overlap from here. So this is not good. Or it's like this. The first print as this, the second print overlap to right as this. This overlap to right, also not good. It's overlap to right, it's overlap to left. So if the print out overlap to left, the top, we must load the print head. For example, this is the print head. This print head. So we must, if the print out like this, we must load it a little bit to left to make the print head a little bit vertical. And if you print like this, also if this is the print head, we must load a little bit to right as this. Anyway, we must be sure the print head after the node check the vertical print must be a straight line from top to bottom, from bottom to top. The connection position is straight, no overlap. In one word, if overlap to top, overlap to left, then load the print head to left a little bit. If overlap to right, then we move the print head to right a little bit. We do the same procedure for the wet print head and color print head. The same procedure. And how to alignment? We can go to the, for example, by this one. If the print out like this, we can the picture overlap to top to left. So we must move the print head a little bit to left. We can go to the print head. And this is the color print head. If the color print head overlap to left, so we must loosen the 4 screw. 1, 2, 3, 4. This one. Please remember, the screw we must loosen is not the screw for lock the print head, but the screw for lock the print head adapter board, the aluminum board. We loosen a little bit, and then we can fasten this screw. If we fasten this screw, because the screw have more the linear side, so when we push down the bottom, the screw here, then this angle will move to front, and this we keep no change. We just load this screw by the clockwise position, by this way. By this way, then the print head is go to front. This side go to front. So when this side go to front, that means the print head we change it back to left. So this for procedure to adjust the print head vertical and horizontal by the 2 adjust the screw here. After we changed good, then we print the vertical print again from the software. After we finish all the calibration, and then we can lock back the 4 screw. 1, 2, 3, 4. Lock back. We do the same procedure for color print head and wet print head. For the wet print head, the same procedure. We loosen 1, 2, 3, 4. The 4 screw first. Loosen a little bit, but not too much. Then we do the vertical calibration test the print and check the picture print out. If have overlap, then we load it. If it overlap to right, for example, the print out picture like this, the top is overlap to right, then we must load the print head like this, a little bit move to right to make the struct. So we just keep this screw no change, and we can fasten by this way, this screw. If this screw we push down the screw from here, push down the screw, then the print head this side will go to front. Then to move the print head a little bit to right. So this is the procedure to do the head alignment for vertical. For the procedure as this. Anyway, we must be sure that after print the picture, we must see the connection is good, no overlap for each channel and for each print head, for color and for white. The same quality like this. Then we can do the next calibration.